Antisocial. I don't hate you, I hate every cunt. I'm fucking antisocial every day, week and month. I don't want your life story, I don't want to make small talk. I can't listen to your pish, so take yourself for a walk. I just don't have the patience to listen to your woes. It's going in one ear out there, and it's curling up my toes. I don't care if you had a good holiday, or what you done on your day off. Tell me something interesting for a change, make us laugh. I've got enough shit going in my own head, shite I don't want to share. And I'm not ready to tell cunts, I don't want my life laid out bare. I know the problem's all mine, I know I come across as a prick, but I'd rather you knew where you stood, and in my head I'll stay sick. One day I'll go and see a shrink, but not till I'm getting ready. I know it's no plain sailing with me, but I'm doing the best to keep steady. I wasn't always like this, I used to go on with MD. I'm no sure when or what caused the change, but I'll sort it when I'm getting ready. 'Cause I can't go on this way, being a bad-tempered, unsociable twat. It's no good for me and mental health. Maybe I should change my whole habitat. One way or another I'll get back to the way that I used to be. It might take a wee while longer than hoped, and so I apologise for me being me. Antisocial.